Hello everyone, welcome to my channel SS Solution. In my today's video, I will tell you about the mic problem in your device Oppo A54. So if in this device, if you are having any problem related to the mic, like your mic is not working on the calls or not working for the recordings, you can easily fix it by following the few steps and fixes I will show you. Before we move on to the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and pause in the video and you will learn how you can fix the mic issue in your device Oppo A54. Let's watch the video.